Hi friends, welcome you all. In the previous lecture, we were discussing about the structural classification of bank assurance. In this particular lecture, we have planned to discuss about the models of bank assurance. There are some famous models of bank assurance. In the last lecture, we were discussing about the structural classification. In that, we have discussed some snapshots of the models of bank assurance. Today, we are going to discuss in a detail what are the different models of bank assurance. So the first model of bank assurance is a referral model. So referral model is the banks just intending not to take a risk could adopt referral model, wherein they purely part with their client database for the business led for commission. Means the bank just refer the customers, or it can sell the customer database to the insurance company, or in this model bank refer the customer which is already stick up or attached to the bank to insurance company. The actual transaction with the prospective client in the referral model is done by the staff of the insurance company, either at the premise of the bank or somewhere else. So, a referral model is nothing but a simple arrangement wherein the bank, while scheming access to the client database, parts with only the business lead to the agents or sales staff of insurance company for a referral fee or commission for all business lead that was passed on. In fact, a number of banks in India have already resorted to this approach to begin with. This model would be suitable for almost all type of banks, including the RRBs, cooperative banks, and even cooperative societies, both in rural and urban areas. So there is a large scope in the medium term for this model. For instance, banks to begin with resorts to this model and then move on to other models. The next model is the corporate agency model. The other form of non-risky risk participatory distribution channel is that of corporate agency, wherein the bank staff is trained to appraise and sell the products to the customers. Here, the bank as an institution act as corporate agent for the insurance products for a fee commission. Means here just bank act as a agent like other distribution channel. Bank work as a corporate agent for the insurance company and refer the customer to the insurance company in the exchange of fee or commission. So this seems to be more practical and appropriate for most of the mid-sized bank in India, and as also the rate of commission would be reasonably higher than the referral arrangement. So this however is prone to reputational risk of the marketing bank. Means here when the bank act as an agent of insurance company, and if a insurance company fails to deliver some quality products or quality service, or if customer face any problem and insurance company do not resolve it, or customer satisfaction is at a very low level, then the reputation of bank can be at a risk. So there are also realistic difficulties in the form of professional knowledge about the insurance products. Besides, confrontation from staff to handle totally new service product could not be ruled out. So the bank staff or the employees may feel the difficulties in the professional knowledge about the insurance products and handling the products. So the possibility is not ruled out. So this could, however, be overcome by severe training to chosen staff package with proper incentives in the banks, coupled with selling of simple insurance products in the initial stage. This model is best suitable for majority of banks, including some major urban cooperative banks, because neither there is sharing of risk nor does it involve huge investment in the form of infrastructure, and it could be a good source of income. Bajaj Alliance stated to have established a growth of 325% during April September 2004, mainly due to bank assurance strategy, and around 40% of its new premium business. It is stated in the Economic Times, October 8, 2004. So interestingly, even in a developed country like US, banks stated to have preferred to focus on the distribution channel similar to corporate agency rather than underwriting business. So several major US banks, including Wells Fargo, Vachoya, and BB and T-Bilt, a great distribution network by acquiring the insurance brokerage business. So this model of bank assurance worked well in the US because customers generally prefer to purchase policies through broker banks and that offer a wide variety of products from competing insurers to all other products. Next model of bank assurance is insurance as fully integrated financial service or joint ventures. Apart from the above two models, the fully integrated financial service, what is fully integrated? We have discussed in the last lecture, you can refer last video. The fully integrated means the bank fully, the insurance is fully comes under the process of banking core business, and the fully integrated financial service involves much more inclusive and intricate relationship between insurer and bank, where the bank functions as entirely collective in its operation and selling of insurance product is just one more functions within. Means bank consider insurance as a one more functions with all other functions of the bank. Where banks will have a counter within sell market the insurance product as an internal part of its rest of the actions or functions or activity. So this includes banks having wholly owned insurance subsidiaries with or without foreign participation. In Indian case, ICICI Bank and SDFC banks in private sector and State Bank of India in the public sector have already taken a lead in resorting to this type of bank assurance model and have acquired considerable share in the insurance market. Also made a big stride within a short span of time. The great advantage of this approach being that the bank could make use of its full potential to reap the advantage of synergy and therefore the economies of scope. So this may be suitable to comparatively larger banks with sound financial and has better infrastructure. Internationally, the fully integrated bank assurance have demonstrated advanced performance. Krishnamurthy 2003's research paper says that integrated bank assurance have demonstrated advanced performance. Even if the banking company forms as a subsidiary and insurance company being a holding company, this could be classified under this category. So long as the bank is selling the insurance product along the normal banking services, as per the present regulation of insurance sector, for the foreign insurance company could enter the Indian insurance market merely in the form of joint venture. Now government is bringing some reforms in these regulations. Therefore, this type of bank assurance seems to have emerged out of necessity in India to an extent. So there is a great scope for further improvement both in life and non-life insurance segment, as government of India is reported have been actively considering to increase the FDI's participation to the up to the 49% already given in this budget. About 70% FDI allowed in the insurance sector. Joint venture arrangement is such that joint decision making about product and distribution effort, high system of integration between banks who act as the channel partners and the insurance companies. The insurance company is able to take advantage the bank's infrastructure facilities, involve low cost insurer losses control on the distribution, and finally bank may realize extra revenue and achieving higher profitability acting as an insurance distributor. So this is the joint venture general normal arrangement. And the last model of the we can say that standalone insurance model, we can call it product based classification. Standalone means the banks sell it as a separate product without mixing any other product of a bank. Here the brand of insurance products can be formed. In this case, standalone insurance product case, bank assurance involves marketing of the insurance product through either referral arrangement or corporate agency without mixing the insurance product with any of the bank's own products or services. So insurance is sold as one more atom in the list of products offered to the bank's customer. However, the products of banks and insurance will have their relevant brand also. For example, Karur Vysya Bank Limited selling of life insurance product of Birla Sun Insurance or non-life insurance product of Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company, etc. So Karur Vysya Bank keeps the insurance product separate products like all other banking products, and these insurance products are separate than these insurance products. So what are the other models of bank assurance? First is pure distributor. In this model, the bank sells the products of an individual insurer exclusively, either bundled with the bank's product or in a standalone basis, means on a separate basis. In case of strategic alliance, in this model, a higher degree of involvement is made in the product development, service terms and management by the bank. In the case of financial service group, in this model an insurance company may make or acquire a bank, or bank may create or purchase an insurance company. So here a larger conglomerate may look to create multiple financial services companies, including a bank and an insurance company, and may utilize the synergies that come with operating both the businesses. In case of full integration model, this model entails a full integration of banking and insurance services. The bank sells the insurance products under its brand, acting as a provider of financial solutions, matching with customer needs. Full integration model says that the bank is fully involved, and bank software or bank's process is fully involved into the insurance products, or insurance product is the core business of banking. Like all other functions, it is called full integration model. Here a bank collects the premium also, and bank staff also do the all necessary things on data entry or all other things about the insurance product. So it is fully integrated into bank's general operation. Bank controls sales and insurer service level, including approach to claims. Under such an arrangement, the bank has an additional core activity almost similar to that of an insurance company. So bank have the separate provision of operation in the software or all other process, fully designed or fully well prepared like an insurance company in the full integration model. And last one is the mixed models. So under this model, the marketing is done by the insurer staff, and the bank is responsible for generating leads only. In other words, the database of the bank is sold, a ready-made customer base or a ready-made customer network base of the bank. It's sold to the insurance company. The approach requires very little technical investment. So this is the mixed model of the bank assurance. So friends, just have a look what we have discussed today. We have discussed the referral model of the first model of the bank assurance. Then we have discussed the corporate agency model, where bank acts as a corporate agent, like all other insurance agent for insurance company. In a referral model, bank just refer the customers, or bank uses its customer base or customer data to refer the customer a particular insurance company or insurance products and get the fees or commission. In case of corporate agency model, bank acts as a agent for a particular insurance company to distribute insurance products. In case of a joint venture or fully integrated financial services, the insurance company and bank come together and form a new separate entity or company, and acts and sell the insurance products. Joint venture arrangement we have seen, and standalone for insurance model says that the bank have a separate bank sells the separate insurance product like all other product or services. And all other models we have discussed. The pure distributor model. In this model, the bank sells the product of an individual insurer exclusively. Under the strategic alliance, the higher degree of involvement is made in the product development, service terms and management by the bank. So from the development of insurance products, bank take the active participation with the insurance company, in the product development, service term, in management. So it is called strategic alliance. In case of financial service group, in this model an insurance company or bank can suppose the insurance company uh, may acquire a bank, or bank may create the insurance company or purchase another insurance company. So it is called financial service group model. Full integration model we have discussed, and mixed model. Under this model the marketing is done by the insurer staffs, and the bank is responsible for generating leads only. So friends, that much in this today's lecture. Write your name in the comment box, and thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.